Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Stocard application. It's very simple, straightforward. Once you're logged in, you will be landing on this page. Obviously, I have all of my cards connected here, but you will have a blank screen here. First thing you have to do is you have to go to settings here on the right corner, bottom, and then click on country. The reason you have to select your country first is because the selection of cards are prioritized based on your country. So, for example, right now I have selected United Kingdom, but if I select United States, it will be different. So, let's select a country, United Kingdom, go back to your cards and click on the plus button on the top right here. And now you can see all the United Kingdom cards are being on the top, right? But if I go back here and select United States and come back to the card and then click plus button again, you will see all the United States cards listed here in this list. Although, if you are not bothered about it, you can literally search for any card. Let's say if I have selected United Kingdom as a country, but I want to add a card from United States, I can just search for a CVS and then it will be listed here. And then I can click on the CVS card. It will ask for scanning. If you don't want to scan, you just can put the card number here and then save card, and it will be added successfully. Once it is added, you just pull to refresh and then it should be added in the end of the list. Again, on the list of the cards on your homepage, everything is ordered with last used. For example, if I click on CVS card and I go back, you will see that CVS card is on the top now because that's last used card. That's how it is being ordered. The next part is shopping. Now, this part is where you can create shopping lists, which you can share with your husband, wife, your partner, girlfriend, boyfriend, anyone whom you share your shopping with. What you have to do is you have to click on the plus button on the top here, put your shopping list name here, click on add, and it will add the shopping list into your shopping section. Once you have added it, you see that if you have created the list, you will have this icon on the right of the list, which says that you are the admin of this list. Whereas other list you have imported or somebody has shared with you. For example, this is the groceries list I shared with my partner, and this is here, right? So let's say I go to the list I have created. Now I'm going to add some items in it, clicking on plus sign, bread, and then refreshing it. And then I'm going to add milk. And then that's how it is going to be listed here. If you want to share this list with your partner, you click on this share button on the top and you copy. If you don't want to copy, you want to share directly, you can just click on the share button and it will pop up the share section for you. And this is how you can share the list. And when your partner, your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend want to import that list, they have to click on this import button on the top, put the list ID here and click on import, and then it will import the list here like this, and then they can click on it and then the list is here. Now, whenever you or your partner are going for shopping, you can check or uncheck the things you want to buy, and then it will update for them. Another thing I want to show here is when you click on the order button, you can actually order it as you want. But initially, it will be ordered like this, recently added first and none. And this is how it will look like if you have a lot of things. But I would advise to select pending first and A to Z. This is easier for humans to figure out, like if it is not being striken out, then it is like this, and then if it is already completed, then it's like this. This way you can go into shopping mall like Tesco's or CVS or Walmart and then buy your stuff. Another thing I wanted to mention is whenever you come back to this app and you click on the shopping, it will always keep this list open, which you have opened last time. And that is by the design, because the whole purpose of this section is to show you the list you want to shop for. So if you want to go back to other list, you have to click on the back button and then click on the list name here to go back to the list. Okay. Next is deals. Deals work in a very specific way. You can click on the icon right top to share your location. You put your country, region, and city. If a deal comes into your city, then it will be displayed here. Otherwise, it will not. If you are a local vendor and you want to promote your deals on this application, you can contact them by contact us page. So let's have a look at that. So if you click on the settings, you have the profile section where you have your first name, last name, and email. You have the appearance. You can change it to automatic, light, or dark, whichever way you want it. Then you have the contact us, where you can contact the people who have developed the app. Then you have the terms and service section here, and then privacy policy, and then obviously log out and delete your account. So it is simple. This is how you use the Stocard ad.